Welcome back, my students. This is another test in fluid mechanics. The name of the test is the impact of water jet. And here's the device that we are using to find the impact of water jet. And you can see this is the device. And this is the connection hose, and it should be connected here, like this. Okay, and here is the head that we are using. So basically the fluid's coming from this side. The fluid's going to this way, and it will hit those headers. So the water jet is going to hit this part, and it will help, or it will act on this part to move up. So what we are going to do, we will use the mass to get it back for its original space. Now, the purpose behind this one, we are going to change the flow that will hit the head until we get this disc to its original. So please don't touch this one until you will get the flow and it will get up. Then after that, we will measure the flow from the hydraulic bench. So first of all, as I told you, the first mast, here's the mast, and we have three types of heads. So we have alpha, the angle that we have it with the horizon is 0, that's the 0, and we have 60 degree, the angle that we have with the origin is 60 degree, and there is 90 degree, which is already been connected to the device. So first of all, make sure that you have connected all the parts together in a very good way. Okay, then make sure there is horizontal on the center line, and after that we have to connect this one until you get the click. So what we should do, we will start our first. So the type of angle that have been connected is 90 degree, and I'm going to measure the first flow. So what I will do, I will add a mass, which is here 100 gram. Now I will start with the bench, hydraulic bench. Look at this one. I am changing. Now, as you can see, there is balances. So the force that will hit the header that's here is exactly equal to 100 grams. Now, this is practically. There is also a theoretical one where you have to calculate it from the lab. Now, what should I do now? I should measure the flow. How to measure the flow? We have to measure the flow here. So to measure the flow, I should close this one. I should close that one. It has been closed. And then I should measure the flow that's going. So I'm going to measure, here's the liters that we have, it will be accumulated in this tank. So here I will start measuring the volume from I will start from 0 liters to 10, or any two values you think it's better. So, but you have to be aware that you have to measure the time within these two volumes. Now, I have to have a stopwatch. So I will start here, and I'm measuring the time. then I will, for example, stop at 5 liters. So V1 is 0, V2 is 5, so V2 minus V1 is 5 liters, and then it should be divided by the time for this experiment. Then after that, I will stop my this is be the first one. The second thing that we have here, now I have another mass here, and then I will change the flow. I will increase the flow to get that balance again. Then after that, the third mass, that's the 3. Then after that, I have also, at each time you have measured the flow, then I will stop and unload the machine and change the header. So the header of this device should be changed, and be aware for that. Now after this, you can see, here is the head. You have to change it with another one that you need. For example, this is 90 degree. For example, if you want to change it to also okay. Now there is 2 things you have to be aware. You need to measure the nose that we have here, how much is the diameter, the openings here, and also it is mentioned here, it's about the orifice one, it's about I think it's written here about 6 millimeters. Now again, you have to restart your device after you change this one. Make sure it's standard. Now put these ones. Again, and we will start measuring the flow at the level 3-1, and then you have to fill this data sheet and record your data ID. Thank you very much.